Hi, Dave Philippi here with FabCAD, and I want to show you the new features of our latest release, FabCAD 2020. So we're getting ready to hit the roaring 20s here. So first thing you probably notice is the look of the screen. Now if you have like 2016, 17, or 18, your screen looks like this. And then in 19, there was a change that improved the icon design here. But you notice when I switched to 20, it is a little easier on the eyes, so reason why Autodesk changed the color schemes on this. We have a lot of new features in the AutoRail program. I'm going to show you some of those first, and then I'll show you some of the AutoCAD type features that are new to 2020. So I'm just going to click on the horizontal rail program here, and I'm going to import a template called alternating pickets. And what we have available now is if you had a job where you had tall pickets and short pickets, you had to go through and shorten each one. Now, we have a situation now where you can draw a railing that looks like this. And what we've done is we've added on the dialog box short picket heights. So we added that here, and then you can also add finials to short pickets. And you can do that with, like for instance, puppy pickets with gates. So let me click on the gate program and show you one of those. So I'm going to import here and bring up puppy picket gate, and I'll just click draw and next and draw, and we'll just use finial there. And then when I draw this gate, you'll see the puppy pickets with the spears on top. There's a side view that's new. Also plan views for gates, and you'll notice on the horizontal rail we have the plan view. We've added plan views of pickets as well as the posts. You also might have noticed on the gate program we now have a custom sketch feature for horizontal rails. So let me just draw a rectangle here, and I'll just change that. So I'll go back to the gate program. I'll import a template, say 2-inch louver, and I'll check use custom sketch for horizontals, and then click draw, next, draw, and it draws your gate with the horizontal members with a slope top, or you can have a curved top or anything, and it'll still work. Another feature of the gate program is that you can have a sloped bottom. So I'm just going to stretch this up a little bit here. And I go to gate. I'm going to import a standard gate on this one. And click custom sketch for the vertical picket one. Do next, draw, use default. Select the gate, and it will draw a gate with a sloped bottom. That was a very popular request. The fence program also incorporates the horizontal features now. If I import a template and I do horizontal member, you see the option is here to do that. So you can draw like ranch fencing, or if you're doing a louvered privacy fence or something like that, this would be perfect for that. The stair rail program, let me import a template there. We have a new feature now where you can eliminate the post at the top of the stair. So if I wanted to do like an 18-inch section here, I can draw that without a post at the top of the stair, like so. Eliminates that. Those of you with older systems, we also have the feature where you can just do post and top bar only. And also you can add grab bars to the stair rail. Let me show you a few AutoCAD features. Let me generate a railing first. So I'm going to import a template. We created one here that has that short picket, alternating short picket, and we have rings on top of it. It's pretty cool. Let me just show you that one real quick. Okay, so there's your rail there. There's some new commands here on the ribbon. Under Utilities, we have what's called Quick Measure. You notice in between, it gives you the daylight spacing in between the pickets. You can see the height of the pickets, anything with a parallel line. I'm just dragging my mouse around. Gives you the horizontal distances, vertical distances, just by moving your mouse. We've also added point style. So here you can select different styles for your nodes. That's what these are here. And you can adjust your height. You can also set it so as the screen zooms in and out, the node will get larger and smaller. But we've got it set for absolute units, 3 inches here. There's been some enhancements in the Insert Design command here. When I click on this, you got a dialog box now, and you've got your recent ones. You also have from other drawings where things have inserted in right here. Like for instance, you can just drag and drop. So I can move this over and just put this thing right in place, like so. Has all the blocks in the current drawing, from recent drawings, and then of course you can just browse like you in the old days and find your drawing that you want to insert or your part that you want to bring in. Obviously the library is a place to do that for most of your stuff, or you can use the tool palette feature to drag and drop blocks, but this just enhances this. You can also adjust things as they come into scale or rotation, explode it as it comes in, different things like that. And it's, like I say, just drag and drop. Nice little enhancement there. And there have been a few enhancements in the drawing compare command. I open up one drawing and then I want to compare it with another. I just click on drawing compare and it brings it right into the same window. So it lays right on top and you can see the difference between the two. And then you have tools here where you can turn it off and on. And then you can import objects from the compared one of the drawings, and it labels them here. What's not in the current drawing, only the current drawing, and no differences. So obviously the great part is they're common to both, and you can see things from one drawing are different than things in the other, and you can import what you want, update, and resubmit the drawing with the features that you want. Also, we've teamed up with Architectural Iron Designs and updated this library that they have. And one of the cool things in there is a Grand Forge collection. So if you have an older version of FabCAD, this will be a new edition. If you have any questions about this update, or if you have an older system and you want to see some of the other new features besides what we're shown here, that were available from our 2018 and 2019 FabCADs, just give us a call, 800-255-9032, or you can email us at info@fabcad.com.